A Lego lover from Sweden has assembled this replica of a Volvo V70 from a construction set and hardware, which you can even ride in. In 2020, David Gustafsson became the winner of the popular TV program Lego Masters and received as a prize more than 370,000 Lego pieces, weighing a total of 1.2 tons. It was from this moment that his incredible story of creating a realistic copy of his car Volvo V70 began. Videos of the finished car have appeared on the internet. I took it from truekpr.ru, a Telegram channel, but information about what is under the hood remains a mystery. The enthusiast also admitted that it would be much cheaper and easier to buy a normal car because he spent more than 2 years assembling this toy. What do you think, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Armin Haraya from torquenews.com. Please like this channel and subscribe to it, like this video, and visit us at torquenews.com for daily automotive news. I'll look forward to hearing your comments. Have you done anything similar or outstanding with your Legos? Let me know your thoughts, friends. Let's discuss them below. Have a great day. God bless you. See you soon in our next report.